We'll start with the basics: the handset, the keypad, the speaker, and the voicemail message waiting indicator. The lines view is your phone's default display. They allow you to select a phone line, view calls on a shared line, or allow you to quickly call a contact that has been listed as a favorite. The home view is displayed by pressing the home key. From here, you can initiate new calls and access your messages, directories, do not disturb, and call forwarding features, as well as the phone's settings and applications. For example, if you want to see a list of the available settings and options, using the navigation arrows, choose Settings. Then press the Select button in the center of the navigation arrows. Next, select the Basic option. This option lets you configure your preferences, backlight intensity, backlight timeout, and ring type. Finally, there are the feature keys. The ones you'll use most often are the home key, the headset key, the speakerphone key, the mute key, the transfer button, and the hold button. To place a call, dial the number, then pick up the handset or press the speakerphone or headset key. Depending on your preference, there are multiple ways to answer an incoming call. To answer a call with your handset, simply lift the receiver to connect the call. To answer a call via speakerphone, press the speakerphone button. To answer a call via headset feature, press the headset button. Additionally, you can press the Answer soft key to receive the call. When selected, it will answer the call using your speakerphone. To answer an incoming call when you're already on an active call, press the Answer soft key. Your first call will automatically be placed on hold. To retrieve your first call, use the navigation arrows to scroll to that call. Then, press the Resume soft key. To put an active call on hold, press the Hold button or the Hold soft key. To resume the call, press the Hold button again or the Resume soft key. Please note, if you have the Music on Hold option assigned to your profile, calling parties put on hold will hear music while they wait for you to return to the call. If you have more than one call on hold, using the navigation arrows, select the call you wish to reconnect with and press the Resume soft key. To place a call on mute while on an active call, press the Mute button. This will place the caller on mute. The caller will no longer be able to hear what you are saying. To unmute a caller, press the Mute button again. A blind or unannounced transfer takes place when you transfer a call to someone else without announcing the call first. To blind transfer a call while on an active call, press the Transfer button and proceed to press the Blind soft key. Dial a number or choose a contact from the call list or directory. The call is transferred immediately. A consulted or announced transfer is performed when you announce the call to the recipient prior to transferring the call. To conduct a consulted transfer while on an active call, press the Transfer button or soft key. Then enter the destination to which you wish to transfer the call. Then press the Send soft key. The caller is automatically placed on hold. Once the receiving party answers, announce the call. To complete the transfer, press the Transfer button or soft key again. A direct-to-voicemail transfer is performed when you wish to transfer a call directly to another user's voicemail. To do this, while on an active call, press the Transfer button or soft key. Next, enter *55 on the keypad and follow the voice prompts to enter the user's extension, followed by the # key. You will hear a confirmation message. This completes the transfer to voicemail. To initiate a three-way conference call while on an active call, press the More soft key. Then, press the Conference soft key. The first call is then held. Dial the second number. When the second party answers, press the More soft key. Then press the conference soft key again to connect the calls. The Do Not Disturb feature is used to send all incoming calls directly to voicemail. To enable Do Not Disturb from the main screen, press the More soft key, followed by the DND soft key. You may also enable Do Not Disturb by pressing the Home button. Use the down navigational arrow to locate the DND icon, and press Select. You will see the Do Not Disturb icon by your extension line appearance, indicating that the feature has been enabled. Once Do Not Disturb is enabled, calls cannot be received until you disable the feature. To disable this feature, repeat the previous steps. Please note, the Do Not Disturb button may work differently depending on how your extension has been configured by your administrator. For instance, in some cases, when you enable DND, it will impact incoming calls not only to your desk phone, but also to your other connected devices. By default, calls that are not answered will go to voicemail. To forward calls to a destination other than voicemail, enable call forwarding, or change your voice portal busy or no answer setting. This calling feature is only available on the Polycom VVX 350 and VVX 450 phone models. To enable this feature, press the More soft key, then the Forward soft key or your Home button, and then select Forward. Next, select the type of forwarding option that you would like to enable. Options include Call Forwarding Always, which will forward all incoming calls to a specified Forward to destination. Call Forwarding No Answer, which will only forward calls if you do not answer. And Call Forwarding Busy, which will only forward calls when the Do Not Disturb feature is enabled, or if your line is busy. Select the type of call forwarding you wish to enable. Enter the phone number to which to forward calls to in the contact field, and then select Enable. When Call Forwarding Always is enabled, you'll see the forwarding indicator next to your extension line appearance in the Lines view. When configuring Call Forwarding No Answer, you must also select the number of rings the caller will hear before the call is forwarded. To configure, select Forward, then Call Forwarding No Answer. Enter the number to which to forward calls to in the contact field, then select the number of rings field and enter the desired number of rings. Select Enable. To disable call forwarding, select the forwarding service to disable, then select Disable. To park a call while on an active call, press Transfer. Dial *68. Enter the extension on which you wish to park the call, followed by the pound key. Parked calls can be retrieved from any phone within the office. To retrieve a parked call, dial *88. When prompted, enter the extension on which the call was parked, followed by the pound key. Group paging allows you to send pages to contacts subscribed to a page group. This calling feature is only available on the Polycom VVX 350 and VVX 450 phone models. Each group has one of the following priorities. Normal, default. Priority. A priority broadcast will interrupt normal broadcasts and active calls. All phones receive priority broadcasts unless a person's phone is set to Do Not Disturb. Emergency. An emergency broadcast will interrupt normal broadcasts, priority broadcasts, and active calls. This broadcast will play at a maximum volume even if the person's phone is set to Do Not Disturb. To send a group page, from the main phone screen, press the Paging soft key. Select the paging group you wish to use and then press the Page soft key. Before the page starts, you'll hear an alert tone, and then the page will begin. Begin speaking your announcement. Once finished, hit the End Page soft key. You can view your recent call history and place calls from your call history lists or by using the navigation arrows. Use Down to access your call lists, missed calls being the first screen to show. To change between your different call lists, press the Type soft key and choose the list you wish to view, and press Select. From the home view, use the navigation arrows to select the Directories icon. Then select Recent Calls. Your call history is displayed. To dial a number, find the desired number, then press the Dial soft key. To create a new contact from the call history list, from the home view, use the navigation arrows to select Directories. Then select Recent Calls. Select the caller you wish to add. Then press the Info Soft key and proceed to press Save to add the caller to your directory. To edit the contact's information, use the navigation arrows to scroll to the field you wish to edit. Enter the information and press Save to save your changes. From the home view, use the navigation arrows to select Directories, then select Contact Directory. Next, press the Add soft key. Using the keypad, enter the contact's first name, last name, phone number, and job title. You can also set a contact to Favorite here. This will allow you to dial them from the line buttons on your phone screen. Your top 4 favorites labeled 1 to 4 will be viewable as a line option on your phone screen. When finished, press Save to save the contact. To set up your voicemail for the first time, dial your extension and either pick up your handset to activate the call or press the Dial soft key to utilize the speakerphone. Enter your default passcode followed by the pound key. The system will ask you to enter your new passcode. Enter your new passcode followed by the pound key. Then confirm your new passcode once again followed by the pound key. Next, the system will prompt you to record your first and last name, then press pound. When completed, press 1 to access the voice messaging main menu. From here, you can record your greetings and retrieve voicemail messages. A red message waiting indicator light notifies you when you have a new voicemail message. To check your voicemail, dial your extension number and press the Dial soft key. Enter your voicemail passcode followed by the pound key. Follow the audio prompts to retrieve your voicemail messages. Please note, if you forget your voicemail passcode, please contact your system administrator to have it reset.